We all want to keep our skin beautiful. But for various reasons, it is not possible. Drink plenty of water every day to keep the skin beautiful. Try to keep the meal time fixed every day. Today we will show you skin whitening magical formula. First, take 1 tablespoon plain flour in a bowl. It can also help you get rid of acne and pigmentation spots. Apart from this, it is rich in many vitamins. It can boost the production of collagen. Add 1 tablespoon rice flour. It's hypothesized that the primary ingredients found in rice flour act as anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agents that function to prevent skin aging, reduce UV damage, promote skin lightening, and improve skin and hair regrowth. Brown rice protein has been touted as a natural exfoliant. Mix well. Divide a tomato. Rich in lycopene, tomatoes can help remove stubborn dark spots as well as lighten the skin to give you a brighter and more even skin tone. Now dip the half tomato into this mixture. Apply this mixture all over the skin and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, clean it off with water. Now you can see my skin is so much fair, glowing and bright. Use it 3 times a week for best results. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, visit our websites.